Hello, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin. 2 days ago, we operated our patient. We performed a hair transplant and eyebrow transplant. I will design it in its place. Okay, I will show it to you. Then I will cover to the back as much as I can. Okay. This is only the level of the line. The end result will not look like this. Okay. There will be lots of zigzags and irregularities on it. Okay. To keep it natural. And I will show it to you twice more. Once after the incisions, and once after we finish the whole procedure, so we can do minor adjustments. This is the level. Okay, only the level. And as I told you, there will be in and outs.
Perfect.
Okay, and I will show it to you. Okay.
Perfect. On the eyebrows, if you recommend, I don't know. I go back and forth on it, right?
It depends. Okay.
Do you shave them whenever you do it? When you do this too?
In your case, no.
Okay.
Okay. Because you don't need in the sections. Okay. You need in the sections, but we don't have to shave it.
Okay.
Okay.
Hello, this is my second day after my surgery. I came in today to the Smile Hair Clinic for them to wash my eyebrows and my hair, as long as cleaning the back side of my donor site. Everything feels great, no issues, and now I'm just waiting to talk to the doctor to make sure that he feels the grafts are doing well. Thanks a lot.
Hello, I'm Dr. Gökay Bilgin. 2 days ago, we operated our patient. We performed a hair transplant and eyebrow transplant. So he's back in our clinic for the last control, and then he will fly back to United States.
The first night was a lot of headaches, but beyond that, so.
You take good care, and now when they grow, we will be happy about it.
I think so. I didn't have a lot of hair loss, but I had some, so I'm hoping that it will look good.
Front and everything will look nice with the eyebrows and everything. You will look much better than before.
Hello, my name is Matt Schlemgen. I am 44 years old, came here from Raleigh, North Carolina, and I found the Smile Hair Clinics online. I saw a bunch of different Instagram and TikTok reels about it, and that made me want to come and check it out and see what it was about. After all my research online, this looked like the best place here in Istanbul, Turkey to come. So for the people who say don't do it, I think those people are probably fearful of not doing it themselves and maybe jealous of the experience. So I'm glad I did it, and I would do it again. So overall, it's been a great experience, and I'm glad that I chose Smile Hair Clinic. All right, so now that I've done it, I'm glad that I came to Istanbul and did this. It's been a great experience. I could have spent more money and stayed in the United States, but with this experience, I know that I came to the best. That I had it done here at Smile Clinic. And now I'm not worried about anything else, and I can't wait to go back to the United States and share my experience.